Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to walk you through the steps of hosting your very own backyard barbecue. Let's keep things simple today and barbecue chicken leg quarters, fajitas, and sausage. But before we continue, take a second to hit that like and subscribe button to keep up with the latest and greatest my channel has to offer. In this video, I'm going to be using Kingsford charcoal with some post oak chunks. And to light it up, I'm going to be using starter squares. Quick, easy, and effective. Recently, I became a Walmart partner, which means I've set up a custom storefront where you can go grab the exact products I am using in this video. Check out the link in the description. It really does help out my channel. Before putting any meat on the grates, the obligatory clean of the grill with an onion. This is a step you should not skip. It pays homage to our barbecue forefathers and is as sacred as clicking your tongs twice before using them on the pit. Place your seasoned leg quarters bone face down. Get your bag of chicken leg quarters and season them with your favorite rub the night before and let it marinate in your refrigerator. This makes for a real cost-effective way to feed the masses. Just be careful that your seasoning doesn't have too much sugar. This makes the meat appear to have burned when the real culprit is the sugar in your seasoning. Once your chicken is laid down, close your lid to your grill. And here is the hardest part of the entire process. Don't touch it. Chicken leg quarters are not meant to be flipped every 5 minutes. Keep your grill at a temperature of 300 degrees to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and let the chicken cook untouched for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check your chicken and rotate them depending on if your grate has hot spots. If not, just let it be. While your chicken is doing its thing, it's time to prepare the marinade you will put on your chicken when it comes out. This marinade is 1 part barbecue sauce and 1 part pineapple juice. Mix them together and set it aside. It's been about 40 to 45 minutes and now it's time to flip your chickens for the first and only time. You'll notice that some of the bottom of the chicken looks a little on the dark side. This is the sugar in the seasoning that burned off. Some call it caramelization. The purpose of this flip is to give the top part of the chicken that nice grill look to it. Line an ice chest with foil paper and prep for the chicken when it comes out. This makes storing your food convenient and it keeps it warm for hours if need be. Use a temperature probe like the Thermapen from Thermoworks to check the internal temp of the chicken. The perfect spot to check is right next to the joint. Not touching the bone, but right next to it. You're looking for a minimum internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. But I always like to hit at least 170. I really like the Thermopen because it has a big temperature display. I'll leave a link in the description so you can get your very own from Thermoworks. Place the chicken in the cooler and apply a generous amount of the marinade we made earlier in the video. Let the chicken rest in the cooler while you prepare the grill for your fajitas, also known as beef skirt. For the fajitas, you want to bring the temp of your barbecue pit up. Unlike chicken, fajitas are meant to be grilled. I took a chance on these beef skirt from Costco. Let me tell you, they did not disappoint. These are the pre-seasoned arrachera fajitas. Take them out of the bag and lay them on the hot grill. Unlike the chicken, you want to flip these every 5 minutes or so. What you're trying to do here is sear the outside of the fajitas on both ends so you can trap the juices inside. Flip them vertically and horizontally, rotating them around your grate to cook them as evenly as possible. Check your fajitas for desired doneness. Now this is where the fights start. Let me preface this by saying I'm trying to do better, but my family prefers their meat well done. Here are the temp guides for all the other preferences. Medium rare, 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium well, 150 degrees Fahrenheit. And as my friends say, well done, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You ain't no friend of mine. Pull out your fajitas and slice them up. Make sure to pay close attention to the meat grain. You always want to cut against the grain. This makes the meat so much easier to bite into. Next is your sausage. I like to get these instead of the U-shaped ones because it makes it easier to portion out when it's time to eat. Once you place these bad boys on the grill, you can happily announce that the food is almost out. These typically take between 10 to 15 minutes to come out depending on how hot your grill is. PSA, do not leave unattended. I'm convinced that these guys are 90% charcoal starter. You leave these on the grill without rotating or keeping an eye on them, and you'll have a raging fire in no time. All joking aside, keep rotating them on your grill until you have the desired look and pull them out. If you're feeling adventurous, throw your tortillas on the grill while keeping an eye on your sausage. This is level 5. Stay in your lane. Only you know what level you are. After all is said and done, sit down and marvel at the masterpiece you have created. Hours of work gone in about 10 minutes. If you made it this far, there's something definitely wrong with you. Thank you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.